Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to reset Honda Pilot oil light step by step. Start with the ignition off and the key or fob in hand. Press and hold the trip or select/reset button on the dash. While holding, turn the ignition to the run position, but do not start the engine. Keep holding until the oil life or maintenance message resets to 100%, then release and confirm the light is cleared. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat with the vehicle parked and the parking brake engaged. Press and hold the trip button firmly and maintain that pressure. Turn the ignition to run without starting and keep your eyes on the dash display. When the oil life indicator reads 100% or the maintenance message clears, release the button. Confirm the oil light is off before driving and store your owner manual for reference. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It offers voice control and smart mapping, so you can focus on car care, not floor care. I love the convenience while I work on maintenance tasks, and it saves time for the garage. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If the reset does not take effect, try the sequence again with a deliberate, steady press on the trip button. Ensure the battery has sufficient charge and the dash display is functioning. If the maintenance light still persists after repeated attempts, consult the owner manual for model-specific tips or check related fuses. When in doubt, arrange a quick service visit so a technician can diagnose any underlying issues or electronic faults.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.